This is Ryan Knott, and this is my bike jack. I got all this demolition grips. I've had about 2 years, so I've got S&M Grand Slam bars. Had them for about 3 years. I don't know what make that stem is anymore. The bolts are rusted really bad. I got Odyssey forks, a Fit Bico frame. Yeah. I've got United custom hub I built myself. Alienation rim, front and back, white spokes. I got a demolition back tyre, one down. I've got a Odyssey front tyre. I've got 3-piece crank, Fit Bico's sprocket. I've got an Odyssey chain, Odyssey pedals. Got a plastic seat which I really like because you don't really sit on bikes, and when you do it's not actually that uncomfortable as how you sit on it. I've got a slow seat so it's nice and slanted, gives you a nice jetpack. I've got a United headset in there, that cost me around about 50 quid. I got 3 spacers, 1 big and 2 little. That's greased in there. They weren't working that good, so yeah. I think that's it. I've got a bullet dust cap down there. A 9-tooth on the back and 25 at the front. I've got a 36 hole rims. It's a 20.5-inch frame. And I think that's it. Still from Brian. Bye.